Apron-front 16 gauge kitchen sink single bowl by Ruvati. Ever seen a sink that you can use as a chopping board? Well, this one from Ruvati will make you do just that and more. The Apron-front 16 gauge kitchen sink single bowl by Ruvati comes with a deep stainless steel colander, a convenient dish drying rack that can slide into your sink to be used as a workspace, and a solid wood cutting board. The cutting board is made from African mahogany and will not be affected by water. The sink itself is made from 16 gauge premium T304 grade stainless steel. This material doesn't rust or strain. If it does, so the limited lifetime warranty the sink comes with should cover it. Unlike other stainless steel sinks with a satin finish, this one has a brushed finish. The finish helps hide many scratches made on the sink, so scratching shouldn't be a concern for you if you're a bit rough when cleaning the pans and pots. The sink, thick rubber padding, and heavy-duty sound guard ensure you experience no noise when you're doing your dishes.